And I'm Sheng from Johor.
And I'm Nur Farhana from Chun Wen.
And I'm Tan from Muar.
We take the Samsung ML 2010 mono laser printer as our product. Then our weakness of the product is the laser printer print our printer print too fast, which is 32 pages per minute. Then the printed paper is very bad quality, which is we produce grey text printing instead of black dark text printing. So too much speed. So the printer produce too much noise from the cooling fan, and the capacity of the input paper is low, which is only support until 150 sheet, and our printer have no Bluetooth or any connection. Then no USB port provided when we buy the product.
Okay, next is the printer has no function to scan or fax because it only focuses on printing the papers. And next is the tray to support the printed papers, the output papers, is very small. It is so annoying because it will get messy and it is only limited to 100 sheets. Next, it only supports the 1.0 and 2.0 USB, and sometimes the 2.0 USB can support. It can support 2.0 USB. Sometimes it can. So next is it uses plug for electricity. Next, it doesn't have variety of paper size for printing. So when you want to print another size of paper, it will stop. So next is it has a slow loading on the start. That's all.
So this is our personally designed news product. We named it Samsung 2016 Atomic Multi-Purpose Laser Printer. So we sketch it out from the front and from the back wheels. And we start from the back wheel first. This is the cooling fan part which release the heat, and we have to include the battery so it can increase the portability. Because we always face the problem where we cannot find the plug for electricity, so we have the batteries. And here is a plug-in port, and we have another USB port for just we just plug in the USB pen drive, so we don't have to access from computer or smartphone, whatever. It makes us more easier to print out the things. And from the front wheel, as you can see, we place it for normal photostat. We have various is small, but I hope you guys can just hear me what I say. From the full size is for 5A3 paper, and then we have a very small sign of line indicate for the A4 size paper from here to here, and then followed by A5. So here is a add-on LED control panel, which we might add in silent mode and for less noise, and whatever the control it has for scanning, faxing, all the things. And we have include the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi direct connection, so any smartphone, any smart device, we can just connect to it and print out our document. And from this is the output part, where input, then the printed pages will be out at the output here. And we increase the height of this output file so it can support mostly up to 300 printed pages. Furthermore, from the input, so the tray, and we make the tray adjustable. So at the full size, if printed A3 paper, we can just put it in A3 and followed by A4 and A5, and also name card or whatever. So the input, we make it bigger tray to support up to 200 paper. We have include a wheels with lock, so which means we don't have to carry away just from table to table, so you can just push it around. But of course the wheel has the lock, so it doesn't move. It has a stable for normal use. Just we can just put there.
This is a summary of the pictures of the new printer. First is we need to slow down the printing speed test to 15 pages per minute for better quality printing. Second, we add features of silent mode so that it will not provide any noisy sound. Then we increase the input paper capacity to 300. After that, we add the features of different connection like Wi-Fi and USB port. We also include USB port providers to the user. Since then, we also add the features of scanning and texting. After that, we increase the size of output paper to 200. We also provided the new compatibility that is USB port 3.0 for faster speed connection. And then we also provide both plug-in and battery power supply when there is breakout happen, we can use it. Next, we also provide variety of paper size for printing size A3, A4, A5 name card label. Adjustable, we can fix, we will not use that. The last two is higher processor for faster loading and stuff. So that we do not need to wait long time. And the last one is we add wheels for easy movement.
By the way, I just make some mistake. The 300 pages is for the input paper. Just like I say, it's for output. That is my mistake. And for the printed papers, output is 200. Just want to make clear of that. Okay.